Slime Rancher 2. Holy. Alright, begin. Create your save. Now I used to play this on my PC or on my Xbox. And I had to rebuy the game, so desync, wireless, go high and start game. It's been a while. Honestly, it's been a very long time. I remember I played this game actually. Terrible, so first time so suddenly butter after adapting this on a mysterious level. Explore the far range and dust shores of diaries. Careless glance does their rosy and charged. Rainbow Island waits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. She found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, when you look at it, everything is slime rancher neat. Almost sounds terrifying and build gadgets. So, turning up, grab the backpack, ready to uncover its mysteries. So yeah, I played the first one for, I think, a couple hours. Oh yeah. Options here. Enabled limit frame rate limit. Why is there 144? Apply. Alright, options. Let's crank that up. Apply, maybe that's why. Just trying to look for like. Alright. What a vertical brightness 2, gamma, overscan adjustment. Graphics high fog. Alright, controller. Don't need that. I should probably turn off my controller here. Let's turn the main volume down just a smidge here. Yep, I know. FOV, screen shake, tutorials enabled, tar enabled, player damage, one fair aggression. Okay, where do I see motion blur? Graphics actually. Actually know if motion blur is drone notifications. Interesting, because the drone is in this game. Good. Alright. The good old basement with the refinery. It's F to use stuff. And then can we make anything automatically? Upgrades. Ooh, I remember all that. You needed like yeah, you need all the new blocks and ports. Not sure how I feel about that. I don't remember I enjoyed it that much back then. Good old pink slime here. Food nearby. Alright, well, let's go on a little adventure here. Do I have a map of the place? I don't. Wow. Okay, the map is not that big, to be honest with you. Oh, I want to check something here. Okay, interesting. Okay, so it's still being updated. Can I get any new? There should be bunny slimes. There they are. Guys. Diet Betty. High walls for 260. Can I get a farm up in here? Wait, no, shoot, I want... There we go, they'll go and eat. Alright. All the food we can get here. Interesting, interesting. Ah, that's right. Resource harvester, I remember. That's the drone stuff. Pretty much need all the food we can get. Steep brine. Skimmy. Skimmy. Goodbye. This is the first game I played on my Series X when I bought it. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm gonna feel old here. "24 years ago? Oh my gosh. Dude, what? Nah, dude, you're joking, dude. Here we go. $250 should be enough to give me high walls. Yes, Victor Humphreys. Did he give me a map? Okay, yeah, looks like we have 2 different things. Dude, what the heck? Alright, let's go head back. Take a peek. Hey, there's the map. Wow, so grateful. I have a family at home I need to feed. Ooh, that's new. Let's go throw it in the water lettuce here. Yes, there you go. There's so much food for days. Alright, let's go ahead and check the water. You guys will have all the type of food you guys will ever want. I can get internet, I think. Floor collector is 750, so that's my goal. Awesome. Sweet, they're in this game. Airport. It's fruit. What the? Dude, you're gonna like, okay, whatever. Pretty sure it was down here. We need our first Cordo here. Okay, well, we found the other map. Those tabby slimes, yeah. Hey, Gordo. Awesome. So I shall take this. Need carrots. Okay, the other. I'm getting a lot more from here. I have to come back here. Feels like running is at least a lot faster, at least visually. Yo, what? Oh, hi, Mr. Toad. There's definitely one underneath here. Please be just decoration. Power chip, awesome. You guys have nothing. Hey, there's carrots. Interesting, so that's what the cooking is gonna be. Oh, he's about to burst. No idea what that is. Yo, what do I do? Oh, what's that portal? Nice. Loading. Huh. Let's feed you. Let's feed you. Let's feed you. Just kind of want to get these phosphorus slimes. Lava dust. Let's go back here. Hey, huge. Howdy. Any ports nearby that I can have? Nope. Very gladly would take ports. Just any ports anytime. Little gift for the road home. Used to be right here. Well, any plorts? Nothing that I can grab, huh? Hey, pink plort. Take that any day of the week. I think I heard something sparkling. Oh, it's gonna be up there, yeah. Eat my minions. We have upgrades. Okay, so you need 6 cotton plorts. Okay. $13.68 already? Holy. Doesn't work like that. You can go ahead, get on in there. I believe I need these 6 in here. Tech. Perfect. Ooh, new message do I know, huh? Fuse corral. High walls. Alright. Sorry, so you're being sacrificed. I actually don't need 19 because I don't have any boards, so we're just gonna chuck 7 of them. Perfect. I guess we have a good amount for a plort collector here. Oh, I don't even know what I did. F1, okay. Well, I have to go, so we will continue this in the next episode.